Hi, welcome back again. This is Edwin. Welcome to Crypto Talk. And today we are going to talk about another big development that is going to push the demands, the price, and the usability of Pi Network upward. If this is something that excites you, then stick around as we are going to roll out the big news in a jiffy. Pi Network has just dropped a big game-changing update with their integration into the Ethereum blockchain. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss this update. So let's break it down. Earlier today, Pi Network announced a massive milestone. They've officially integrated with the Ethereum blockchain. This update is a very big deal for developers in the Pi Network ecosystem because it actually unlocks seamless payouts in stablecoins like in USDT, in USDC, and also directly into an Ethereum wallet. So you can now imagine that Pi Network is now integrated into Ethereum blockchain. So we are talking about fast, secure, and cross-chain transactions that bring Pi one step closer to reward utility. So here is how it works. So developer can now, link an Ethereum wallet that supports ERC20 tokens to receive payouts. The wallet address needs to be 42 character long and starts with 0x, the pretty standard for Ethereum as we know it. But Pi Network emphasizes that when making this transaction, you have to, double check everything because these transactions are irreversible. And once it is done or it is sent, there is no going back like any other crypto transaction. And so you need to watch us because the word for all of this transaction is accuracy is key. This integration isn't just a payout, it's a major step for Pi Network in the Web3 space and a step in the right direction, if you ask me. So, for those of us who have been following Pi Network, we know it's a network that started on the mobile phone and millions of people have acquired Pi tokens through the mobile phone mining. It's not yet late. If you are interested in it, you can check my link and my invitation code in the comment section and join the project. But what we're talking today is that with Ethereum's powerful infrastructures in the mix, Pi is positioning itself as a serious contender for decentralized apps and utility-based growth. Let's look around a little deeper. According to a report from Hoka News, this Ethereum integration allows Pi developers to tap into the stablecoin like utility and USDT, as I said earlier, which are widely accepted across major crypto exchanges and markets. This means that Pi-based applications can now operate in a global economic context, making them more practical for real-world use. Imagine building a dApp on Pi and getting paid in stablecoins instantly. This is huge for developers looking to monetize their work. And thinking about monetization, we are going to look in another video about the current rave and what is massively going to shake Pi Network and which is a Pi ad. We're going to talk about that in detail in another video. But for now, let's talk about the ERC20 wallet, which is the Ethereum wallet. And for those who are new to it, here is a quick explainer. An ERC20 wallet address is a 42 character string starting with 0x that is used to interact with Ethereum-based tokens. It's like your bank account number, but for crypto, except that banks can hold your tokens when we talk about crypto. So you need a compatible digital wallet to manage them, and that is what ERC20 wallet is all about on the Ethereum blockchain. And this isn't the end of road for Pi Network. The Pi core team has teased feature updates like enhanced smart contract functionalities, and this is something that is going to be massive when it comes on Pi Network. Cross-chain NFT transfer and even potential collaborations with decentralized identity solutions. So we are definitely keeping an eye on what is next for the ecosystem. So does updates like this excite you as pioneer, stakeholder, or part of Pi Network ecosystem? For me, I think it should because these are the things that are going to come forward, come together, and explode the value and price of Pi Network. So, guys, what do you think about Pi Network Ethereum integration? Are you a developer ready to connect your wallet and start getting paid in stablecoin? Let us know in the comment section. Or maybe you're just excited as I am here and you're just asking yourself curiously, where does the Web3 journey take Pi Network to next? Well, drop your thoughts in the comment section and I love to hear from you. I'm not going to answer to every questions that comes up, and I'm going to contribute to every discussion on this subject. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and share this video. And most importantly, if you are not yet subscribed, smash that subscribe button and become one of our subscribers. We love you so much, and keep a date with me in another video as I will see you there. Bye bye for now. I'm out.